Good day, traders. This is Rick with your Futures Trading Coach Aftermarket update for the live trading alert call room. Today is Tuesday, May 26th, and I'm going to let you guys know what we did today. Today we had 3 possible entries in the ES. We had 2 in the TF that were winners, and I'm going to let you guys know what we did today. The first trade we had was a short at 2113, 8:45 Central Standard Time. Right after this 8:45 candle here, we got short. Towards the end of this candle here, actually, we started getting short, and then when this candle opened, and that one came down. My first target area was 775 to 6.25. Either one of these areas or in the middle. I said the market should go somewhere into this area, and that was where we took our first profit targets at. If anybody had any contracts left, this was after we got risk-free, of course. If anybody had any contracts left, the next target area was 2103. And we had an add-on before that or a new entry. And I'm going to go through that as well. For anybody who was in, okay, we had an add-on at 2104.75, right on this candle here. At 936. If it was taken as a new entry, I said take more off at a point and give it as much room as you possibly can without going negative on the trade, which anybody could do with 2 or 3 contracts. We took that down. Again, first target area was around 2102.75 to 2103.25 area right here, and then I had another circle down here which was not reached before the room closed. It did get hit down here, but that was way after the room was closed. Basically that's all we did to the downside. Most of us were out of the trade, and we were looking for either a continued signal to go short, which never came, or we were looking for longs. That long did come. That long came at 10:36 Central Standard Time. Price was 2104.75. I said that one should go for a 1.5 to 2 points. 1.5 was the bottom of my box. 2 points was the top of my box. That's exactly where it went. In fact, that was the high of the day. After the low here, it never got up any higher than that. So it was a quick scalp there, 0.1 to 2 points. That's what we consider a scalp. Counter trend. And anybody who, of course, who had a runner would have been an entry and would have been taken out, but not before they got a 1.5 to 2 points first. And we just basically finished the morning. We closed the room around here. There was no more trades, and that's it. Now, some people took it 2 of these trades in the TF, and on the TF, the short was at 1242. 1242.5, 1242.3, somewhere in this area right here. And the first profit target here was my line right here, which was a 1235.5. Was there the whole time. That worked for about 70 ticks. About 70 ticks. And then again, we got long, same time over here. We got long at 1233. And you'll see that one went up to about 1237 area. So that would have been about 40 ticks, realistically probably 30, because we'd like to take 15 and 30, get risk free after 15 ticks, try to get 30 ticks there, and then anybody who had any contracts left would have had to get out because the room was closed. I did stay a little bit extra, and that would be about it. In fact, we were about 25 ticks in when I actually had to leave, and that was right over here in this line. So about 25 ticks in, and I told everybody just get out. And because I had to take off, I said if you want to hold it, you can certainly do that. Take your next profit at 40. So that's about all we would have gotten anyway, and that's about all it really went. Otherwise, you would have been taken out at break even over here. So beautiful trade here, up to 25 to 40 ticks, let's call it. People might not have been comfortable staying in after I left. Would have only gotten 25, but then on here you would have gotten at least 70. It actually went about 80 or 90, but my target was here, so we'll call it 70. And a beautiful way to start the new week. So we'll be back and we'll be doing it all over again tomorrow, guys. And until then, have a great day.